Hello kids, welcome to Little Learners Club for Beginners. Today we sing a funny animal rhyme. Are you ready? Let's go! Doggy, doggy. Yes, farmer.
Yes, farmer.
Petting bones,
Petting bones.
no farmer.
No farmer.
Telling lies,
Telling lies.
no farmer.
No farmer.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
How, cow? Cow, cow.
Cow, cow.
Yes, farmer.
Yes, farmer.
Drinking milk,
Drinking milk.
no farmer.
No farmer.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Moo, moo, moo. Birdie, birdie.
Birdie, birdie.
Yes, farmer.
Yes, farmer.
Pecking seeds,
Pecking seeds.
no farmer.
No farmer.
Flap your wings,
Flap your wings.
tweet, tweet, tweet.
Cow, cow. Clap your hands. Clap, clap. Stomp your feet.